how to fix firewall blocking internet in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. So if you're also getting such issue, first thing what you want to do is just come over to your search bar and simply search in for Windows security. So once you search in for that, you will be directly heading over to this page where you will see the option regarding firewall. So just select it, and here you can see firewall is currently enabled. So you can just press on this restore firewall to default option. So once you open it, you can simply visit over here and just make sure you restore it defaults and click on yes. So after that, next thing what you want to do is just come over to search bar once again and open the CMD, run it as an administrator, and just type in the following keyword just like this, SFC. Make sure to give a space and space/scan now, so it will automatically detect if there's any internal issue regarding your Windows, and it will try to fix everything from over here, basically a software scan. And now simply search in for services.msc by hitting Windows plus R on your keyboard, and you should be heading over to this page. You can also search for services on the search bar and just make sure to locate the option called Windows Defender Firewall. So just right click on it, click on its properties and head over to it. Make sure it's automatic, it's running, and click on apply, click on OK. And just close the window. So that should fix your issue. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.